Hey, it's Natalie Zafat, and I'm here speaking with Samsung's Chris Mertens about trends in digital signage. What's the benefit of digital signage?
Well, the benefit of digital signage is really more around your brand and how you leverage your brand out to the community. You know, signage is changing so much, regardless of what market you're in. If you're in finance, if you're in retail, automotive, your customer base is really important. Digital signage is that next level of reaching out to them and engaging with them and making it an immersive experience for both internal and external customers.
What should consumers know about digital signage?
Really looking at, first of all, how you use the content, what you want your content to be and your message out to your marketplace. So it's really important to take your time around building the right content, using the right platform for that, and ensuring then that your message is placed appropriately within your business, whether it's a storefront or it's a conference room or a customer-facing arena. So you really want to make sure that your signage is placed correctly and the content is as good as possible, whether it's 4K, Full HD, UHD, etc. You've got to make sure that content reads well on the signage itself.
For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.